Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing. That's right, the folks at AOSEED were kind enough to send us this Make Anything printer. It's the xmaker 3D printer for kids. So you no longer have to have an engineering degree or be on the wait list to MIT to operate one of these things. Isn't that great? So when Christmas rolls around, you know what your kids are going to want. Your kids are going to want one of these, a 3D printer. You can just press, set it, and forget it. Back in the day, I believe you had the, I'm not sure what you had back in the day. I definitely didn't have this. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. Let's see if we can get this thing up and running in no time. And moms, if you're watching, let us know how it goes. Great packaging. It'll come securely sealed, and as you can see, with all its stickers. Again, this is the xmaker Joy 3D printer. You're gonna need one of these things to unbox it, and basically let's get started. Keep the box just in case you have to return it or if there's something wrong. You got a manual. You got little cutters. It's for the filament holder thingy, spool. Comes with white filament. Of course, there's a link where you can buy additional filaments on their website. Oh wow, interesting. Feels like a magnetic pad. Okay, and I believe that's it for the first layer. It's ready. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Hold it up from the bag carefully. Place it on the table. In case you're wondering what these tracks are, it's to a little car. Works on a track. Nice, look at this. Oh. Kind of neat. So we have everything here. Looks like a mini TV. Take this off so the door opens. Okay, see, which is really nice. You want that. And inside of here, you have these things. I'm just going to close the door. Okay. You have the power cord. You're going to need to clip them. Cut it right about there. There. A little of that over there. Unravel the cord. Just gonna try and open the door. I guess we probably want to put this in. It's a little plate, the build plate. So we'll just pop it in. It's magnetic. Wow, that's really nice. There's a zip tie on the inside. This one that has to come off carefully. See, you want to cut that, which is wrapped around it. Well, that's like that. What we'll do is we'll spin it around. Once it's spun around, you're going to take this thing right here. Just going to line that up with the grooves that are inside over here. Put it in and turn till it locks. Like you might wiggle, but don't worry about it. Then we have this here, our little filament, which is great. White, which is really nice. Once you've undone the filament, right, what you're going to do is you're just going to cut it at an angle like that. Okay, so that, let's try that again. See? And then what you could do is probably feed it like this so it feeds in. All right, so in the next part, we're going to show you how to feed the filament. So it's as easy as that. As easy as 1, 2, 3. I couldn't believe how easy it was to just come right out of the box. It wasn't like my other 3D printer, which is great. It's the Ender 3S1 Pro, don't get me wrong, but this is just state of the art. This has brought things from where they are here to right about there. I mean, if it's that streamlined, we'll find out in part 2. We're going to be making a couple of videos on this printer to help get you started. So stay tuned for part 2 and also part 3. So in part 3, we're going to be printing the Dummy 13, which is really cool. This little figurine that you'll be able to move around. Your kids will actually love it. But anyway, just one thing at a time. We just did the unboxing. We got it going. And, you know, before you know it, you'll be printing in no time. And it's supposedly supposed to be quiet. Well, we'll find out in the next video. Anyway, I hope this video helped you with the unboxing, okay, of your xmaker Joy printer. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time.